All right, guys. So with Microsoft raising their prices recently, I canceled it. It just got too much. So I'm going to be leaning on Google, their Google Docs and Sheets and everything else. And with that, I'm going to do a couple videos showing you how to do some of the more important actions. And the first one I want to show you how to do is how to export a Google Doc to PDF. So pretty easy process, guys. All we need to do is obviously have your Google Doc ready to export. Here's mine. I have it filled with a bunch of hipster Ipsum. Super fun stuff. If you ever need lorem ipsum, I always go with the hipster type because it's funny. But from here, what we will need to do is open up File. And in File, we're going to go down to Download. And then in Download, we're going to find PDF. Now you can see that you also have a ton of other options here. So if you need an actual doc, the Microsoft Word version, you won't be able to edit it as a docx, but you can export it as a docx if you want to send that. But we're talking about PDFs here. We're going to select PDF. It's downloaded here. I'm using Google Chrome, and I can just grab it and move it to my desktop for easier locating. And then to open this, I'm just going to click open, and you can see that this 7-page document has been converted to a PDF. So guys, I hope this helps. If it does, if you could like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much. See you next time. Bye.